Halito sa Hachifayat, Kimberly Thompson. Welcome to Choctaw Tribal Language Program's monthly podcast for Bissa Hashi. Today we'll be discussing our monthly calendar companion flyer for Bissa Hashi. Also introducing our fair activity located at Shawi Discovery Zone during the fair July 12 through 15. We will be putting on a series of 4 language games, 3 mini games to help prep you for our main game, Shikalla Lo, Hina. We will play a simple game for our viewers that the staff has pre-recorded. And without further ado, will everyone please reintroduce yourselves for our new and returning viewers.
Halito sa Hochipo Lindina Allen.
Halito sa Hochipoyet Peggy Williams.
Halito sa Hochifoyet Jason Lewis.
Halito sa Chifuat Palmer Johnson.
Pama Ishaya na.
Oh,
Lynn, will you start the companion flyer for this month?
No man. Himakta kana Bissa Hashi Blackberry Month ache ogla June. Naholo emanupa ya Bissa Hashi yet Blackberry Month. Tofa higidia ma Bissa yet amo onaptaha Magatogon Choctaw yet ogla amo itanoa bikatok. Hatakatia yet awata ithkulemat ani yakomika ogla ipa itanohuana shobachibikatok.
In English, Bissa Hashi is Blackberry Month. When summer starts, blackberries are ready to be picked. That's when the Choctaw used to go around picking. When the men went hunting, they would usually go around eating those fruits all day.
Bissa Hashi netak makfina estanopa. Inshampa netak
Flag Day,
inki inetak
Father's Day,
tofa igitia.
first day of summer.
Bissa Hashi anupa falaya. Hemak nitak shampa I chupache.
We are going to buy a flag today.
Peli pila washua cho etithiolit saki washua chana.
Do you want to play the washer game or tag?
Bissa Hashi theme words achi. Achofa, emoshi, uncle, mother's brother.
Tuglo, Inki Achafa, uncle, father's brother.
Tochina. Shuli. Hug.
Ushta ugla in yakni country.
Setapi, Tuhbi, white.
Hanale, Itithiolit, Saki, tag game.
Ontuklo, kocha ayin pachito, picnic.
Untachina, Lashpa, hot.
Chakali. Peli Pilla Washoha. Washer game.
Pukole, Pushukchi Kalampi, Champuli, ice cream.
Pishukchi Kalampi Bissa Champoli. Sanna.
Anioma,
Yo,
Ishipitagon.
Kia.
Oh.
amo
Oh.
ishtaligma pegi hupuna chishmagale.
Walaksi Michila Nalile.
Oh. Oh. Pishukchi Kalampi Champoli Mexina.
Kanamana. Kimberly.
Oh, Napanaglo. Iklawo. Amasha.
Tata?
Famipa nitak nata hotina in shampa nitak inki nitak it's a tofagitia nitak hotina kadigma.
Nestak I Polo Tuklo moma amowa moto inki inetak ache.
Ustina Nata.
Yeah, hotina nata.
Nitak
Awa.
Muma.
Our own tochina.
Awa
Our own
onto
tochina.
Awa
Inki
onto
nitak.
China.
Mas Iki Initak.
Higma awa
Okay.
ushta
Oh, 18.
In Shapa Nitak.
Oh,
What's
okay.
that?
Nitak awa osha. In Shampa nitak.
Okay. 14.
It's tofagitia. Hatigma.
Kokole Toklo Akucha Chofa.
Tunuin.
Chipana.
Jibana.
It's nitak makfina himona Juneteenth ma. Juneteenth ma.
Abichakale.
Abichakali.
O Monokita Gochaka.
Abichakale mandi chimshamawa.
Itagacha Malacha. Chamaxanahacha. Shawi Discovery Zone. Homete, interactive language learning games and activities at Mayachaga this year at the Choctaw Indian Fair. Not the Shachegara. Hashachifuma. Itakuba
Chata ayo pisachito.
Chata Ayupisachito, Choctaw Indian Fair. Ugla Iwashuwache, Shawi Discovery Zone Achipa. On Hashpabachu Fachige. 4 games una Ushta. Ugla Pimayache. Tingbagana Etachapa. Ahuchi Washua Ago. Kimberly Ishtanopalache.
Memory matching game. It's played just like the classic memory game by finding matching pairs, but the pictures will be of Choctaw cultural items. So find a match and say the name to help learn words and recognize images for the main game. And we will have cheat sheets and assist the beginners if anybody's worried about not knowing words.
Kim, what kind of cultural items can we expect to learn about?
The cultural items that are characters that are associated with our characters. You will name them.
Oh, yeah. Like, what does Nita have?
Nita
Shuti.
has Shuti, or Chanissa has Kabucha. Quinta has Tua.
Tuklo Achi minigame. Puno Napua Katima Iya Washuha.
Anato napua katima ia ati ho istanopoli lati. Washua elapat ato character napua atia yet. Katima midi katima iskulati. Napua character ati pat ula awahanale. Hergo communities ati mat kanimago amitiga yama atapati. Hegma nata madontahlek ma kanego eskulandaga eskutahak mas nata naniwaya untugla thala chimako. Hegma napua lache na Shuba County ati napua na Shuba ati yome ho shigwa shua pa yapoko na kadego in community sa ita chapati. Makati?
Na po nata hosh, naniwaya chiloka miti.
Okay. Nata ka shawi mat hutchafo mat isinakdi ati. Hutchafo yumi jimata hegmat nana culture items ati yumaga ishi shidbuli kigmat tati ati pachito yumi ho la ishiga yumiga lilapunak lo chekma at pisalik mat yamago mit nana tachapalati because community sa la michilenata.
Come? Anata Tutsina Achi minigame Paga Metzelache. Napila Washua. I don't Bita Pila Ushta Sugla Washuache. Higmat Pukole Hotina Una Mogo Imabachisanache. Hecha Shikalla Lumbu Kanum Asunak ma Togomayache Mogo Ogla Pesat Hotina Ikana Banache head of my Chofa Tuglo Hecha main game Achima Ogla Washo ma Ikanana Hotina Hecha Shikalla Lo Yagome Pasuka. Hegama Jason Nash Oshta Achi main game Shikalla Lo Hina Washua Mago Ishpimano Palache.
Join us on a road to Naniwaya. Shikalla Lo Hina, the beaded medallion road, is based on the classic board game Chutes and Ladders, but with the complete immersion in Mississippi Choctaw language and communities. Players will move their pieces on the game board to reach the Naniwaya Mound, and along the way pass through all the MBCI communities where animal characters share their cultural items. Each character also has a beautiful Shikalla Lo beaded medallion, and its match is somewhere along the path. If a player lands on a Shikalla Lo, they'll have to move either forward or backward on the path to find the match, and possibly all the way back to Ahagit Ia, the starting place. However, all players get the chance to answer questions in the Choctaw language about the animal characters, their communities, and cultural items. So let's all play together. Hitcha chatta anompa kilitimanopale. And Priscilla will be leading this game at the fair. And I just wanted to share with everybody that the origin of this game was actually came from some of our language teachers. I believe at Bulk Chittle, Renata Morris was the one who had given us a draft of a game like this that she had envisioned, and we were able to take it and expand it to include all of the graphics and artwork that our program has. So we really hope everybody will come out to play, and you could possibly win your very own version of this board game when you come to play at the fair. So, homie T.
Yes, okay. Help us
Michael.
honor Nani. Huh? Help us honor Naniwaya in Holo at the Choctaw Indian Fair.
Komite.
Nakatawashua.
Tatanong para si Kanana. Kanahatsan naman.
That's it for our monthly podcast. We're going to end it with playing the sample game, the pre-recorded sample game for the staff. Please enjoy.
So,
Go.
Tough.
So,
Sahochifo Jason, Shikoshi Tikba Tagali Tohbi, Sia.
Sahojifo Lindina, Allen, Shukahomasya. Or Tigmatagali Homasya.
Alito, sa Chipot, Peggy Williams, Shawi,
Shuka.
Shikoshi
Oh,
Tikba Tagali, Omalaya Nata China, Okchamali, Lakanahata, Okchakabi,
Humakbi Dasha,
Okchakabi.
Okchakalbi.
Okay. Ome.
Feeling like that.
Priscilla the Paton. Yeah. Oh, Ome.
Another such for Palmer Johnson here. Another Shukushi Tigbatagali. Not a Lagnayo.
Lakanahata.
Lagnahata here.
For Kimberly Chaco.
Ome. Okchako Hichitobi Amawa.
Priscilla's on mute.
Ishmiuda Miahache.
I'm
So
here.
on the Priscilla.
Alakya.
Harito, sa hoche for Priscilla Williams, kunihata tale hegagos bihi ayasha amitili. Bukchido ena amitili tishafaga. Harke, maktaha.
Shikoshi
Nata.
Tikba Tagali Okchamali Chia.
Chamali. Katak tamayo. Akpiso.
Anatos Tohbi Sia.
Okchakalbi siya.
Homasya.
Lagnahata here.
Chaco. Yeah.
Chipuna.
I'm going to show y'all a draft of the instructions and just read it to you. Welcome to Shikalla Lo Hina, the beaded medallion road leading to Naniwaya. There's Naniwaya here. The object of this game is to move your player pieces from the starting place, Ahagitia, along the road to Naniwaya. Each player takes a turn rolling the dice and moving their player piece along the road the number of spaces rolled. To finish your turn, the player must ask or answer at least one question about the space they have landed on using Chatanumpa. A space on the road may be the name of a Choctaw community, like these over here, an animal character, a cultural item utilized by that animal character, or it could be a beaded medallion. If a player lands on a space with a beaded medallion, then they must find the animal character with the matching beaded medallion and move the player piece to that animal character's space. The first player to arrive at Naniwaya wins. And you can only land at Naniwaya by rolling the exact number of spaces needed to move the player piece. So if, for example, you land on Bachamalanta, you have to roll a 2 to get into Naniwaya. If you roll a 1, you got to go all the way back to Ahagitia. Okay, katahosh tekba iya. Amona.
Ano? Ma. Manale.
Okay. Oma. Shafa toklo tochina osta tatapi hanale. Priscilla, can you ask her a question? Impanagalo?
Imagnita at nata.
That's a good question.
41st.
A more game appropriate question might be Shikoshi Katima Anta.
Oh, shokushi katema ata.
Kunihara.
Chimpona. Another question, Napanoglo Inla Konihata Omalaya Matnanta.
Okchako.
Ochako. It's a Toby.
Hecha
Okay.
tobe.
Cool.
Cut it Makachalana. Who goes next?
Katash Iagaya.
Ya kaya.
Okay, Katashi Agaya. Peggy? Chinfoni Chanalachi.
Oh. Telah. Hanale.
Oh, Hanale. Mago. Okay. Chapa Toko Tochina Osta Tatapi. Hanale.
Anara pinsle kenana. Niksho.
Is your team's window open?
Oh, hemagnahayaka.
Napanaglo. Kana Peggy Impanaglo. Napanaglo. Namona. Peggy Shikoshi Katomi Konihata Asha. Ashwa.
Chokolo.
Shikoshi Toklo. Konihata Ashwa. Okay. Pama?
Oh. Chafa.
Pama. Lakanahata chia? Okay. Chafa. Napoa in Shikalla Lombo Enochia at the Chapa. Not the home.
Nita.
None of us can see her dice, so she might have just.
Pesacha.
Okay, Napanaglo, Palami, Napanaglo, Kallo, Kana Pama Impanaglo.
Shokushi Katimapo Gakosh. Kanahin lakya ang kanya.
Oh, man. Pama, Nita Maho Trifo Nada.
Amexe.
Send her back. She's trying to
Send her
cheat.
back. Palamite. Palamite.
No, tattoo makia.
Chapila sa nalaga ko ano ko.
Pama, Nita Loa Ho Chifo Nata Inshi.
Asona kinshe. Oh. Nana ishe.
Yamat Nata.
Shruti, in spot take long.
Shuti.
Oh my gosh. Kana hosh coach aho poni kiyo.
Ilenole.
Okay, we'll let you pass this time. I don't think you're gonna make it though. Karash Iagaya. Oshta ha hable.
Hable ha.
Hable ha. Ooh, okay. Napanaglo Kim. Ipanaglo.
Nata Malaya hikia. Nata Malaya shikia.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Chipona.
Iya kaya. Priscilla?
Anak ko. Ang mayapit ka mula. Pinsa kinika. Aksi
Oh.
cheese yakyo ka.
Oh, Chocolo. Chocolo pinsali.
Kiyo gisha. Ang mucho gisha. Pipisa harira. Pipisa.
Okay.
Rome.
Kuchina.
Totina.
Shukushi tek patagali o chamali chafa. Chocolo. Tochina. Nada. Lynn. Priscilla impanaglo. Not impanaglo.
Shukusi makaruma una.
Bukhuma.
Oh,
As pinsa liga. Tigbiyala na ho.
Kia.
Ome, nafoni palale. Oshta.
Ushta.
Oosta.
Chafa, Chocolo, Tochina. Oshta. Ome, kanahosh. Ampanaglo. Nana, ampanaglo.
Napua pinili mat huchifonata.
Katima panili.
Just lang bakal.
Oh, Shukoshi. Shukoshi. So, Quinta.
Simbasa.
Oh, Quinta.
Kyo
Easily.
pinta.
Oh,
Ome, chipona. Yaka. Chofa.
Oh.
Where am I?
Punihata. Shukoshi Benili.
Kadante kanele.
Ding. Napo nataho. Napo katimakosh itchapa. Shikalla Lo itchapa. Espinso.
Tinsa fin lega.
Uh-oh, let me make it bigger a little bit.
Huni?
Yeah. Funny in Shikalla Lo itchapa.
Funny?
Funny.
Funny mat nata ho ishe.
Rabbit stick.
Iti isnipa.
Iti isnipa.
Mag.
No.
Kana ilas chinanole.
Napanaglo ila. Ipanaglo.
Funny mat kaya gamiti.
Ooh.
Funny mat. Funny lakna. Tucker. Pihiyasha.
Iyo.
Funny lagna.
Kio. Funny pato bihiyasha amiti. Funny pato bihiyasha amiti.
Magmagalda.
Aha. Chinisa yugomagat funny lakna amiti.
Funny mas funny lakna miti kyo.
Kio.
He?
Funny ma bihiyasha amiti. Peggy in neighbor.
Yuck.
Lagoon Road amiti.
Yaka, bakit ha?
Funny pato.
Cemetery pagali asa ka na.
Uh-oh.
Cemetery road ma.
Okay, kada iya kaya.
Ano?
Okay.
Nasabi.
Shukoshi Tikwatagali Okchakabi Chafa Tuklo Tochina Oshta Tatape. Me.
Sana ko naliman. Shikalla ako naliyo.
Napoa Matnata Napoa Mahigia.
Napo higi nga matnata. Shukushi Maksudnya.
Yo. Shikoshia Banili. Shikoshia
Banili.
Banili.
Kata ko na liya.
Napo inla. Yeah.
Luksi.
Yeah.
Kata.
Uh-oh.
Huwag ha. Nasa kinta. Ako na
Apila, kana apila.
Chinisa.
Isip lang mo. Pala malaking ka.
Che pilale.
Yeah, huwag ha.
Pilale. Yama chinisa teak.
Chinisati.
Iho chifo. Ishkano. Chinisa teak.
Chini.
Okay. Kada. Yeah,
Ano?
gaya.
Ano. Tatapi.
Pass. Ontia.
Tia. Falama dia liho.
Chifoni china leche.
Nalice. Tonolice. Pila.
Chafa chachi. Ish achido.
Chache, si Maya.
Is that right, Kim? Chafa?
Kimberly, katoma. Chofar ka. Okay.
Chapara.
Na aspua. Ochifu. But nata. Iso naman.
We didn't learn all the animals' names.
Kira.
Kalba.
Oh,
She got it?
Got it. She
Kim's got it.
No sili po ka.
Chinale.
Yake, tuchi na mo ma.
Oh, here. Okay.
Tuchi na mo ma.
Kunehata shichogmane chapa toklo tochina.
Bukuma binili na.
Chamali? Oh yeah, okay. Kunehata spinili.
Kunahata malia nate.
Kunehata shanna. Una. You want to ask a question?
Kunihata miyaho nato miyaho maka.
Hemakma?
Kunihata nata miyaho uklamaka.
A skunk was there?
Kuni. Hayasha.
Kikasha.
A skunk is there.
Hata ama light tong miyaho maka hong kanigma.
Light skunk?
Light skunk.
So light smell?
Yeah. Oh, it's Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Phone channel Chile. Osta.
Ostilla sisi.
Chafa toklo tochina osta. Usta.
Kata kesona.
Eti tipinha binka.
Oh. Tipinha.
Tipinha?
Napoa katimaka ko eti tipinha inshi.
No, poa katemma kokos itin. Tipinha inshi. Shawi?
Shawi pato. Pukalombo ochako.
My turn? Where am I? Chofa.
Chokabichia or Homa. Homa. Ooh, funny binka. Oh, Chafa.
Chafa.
Shopina.
Chofa.
Okay. Katema ish anta.
Vihiyasha.
Biasha omalaya matnata.
Navy blue and white.
Yaka.
That's Beaver Dam colors. Just
Yaka. No, hala.
Homacha Losa.
I didn't do that on purpose.
Tokyo.
Ano?
Okay. Tama.
Chukula.
Okay. Not omalaya nata siya. Oh, tokolo. Oh no, Pat Palmer. Good job, Chuffa.
The glove.
Togolo.
Tala, huh?
Start over.
Oh, fala, matikiti, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wala, madamo ni Kitty, ya.
You look so pretty in that rainbow.
Yeah.
Shikalla Lo. Bissa Chob Ma.
Tem mala tigaga.
Ah, Pim.
Bagwan.
What's the proper Choctaw noise when you got to go all the way back? Pim.
Fem.
Who's next? Katahosh Iagaya.
Peggy kill.
Peggy.
Kim.
Oh, okay. Peggy's sitting on the side. Peggy was
Pim.
purple.
Kim mara.
Kim.
Kimi.
Tishnak.
Lele ya kaya ledo ka na to.
Here go
Egas.
ya leda.
Okay.
Kim.
Milay.
Tuklo.
Tokolo.
Tokolo.
Chuffa. Tokolo. Ooh. Nata. Napua. Katima Kokosh. Shikalla Lo at the chapa.
Bunny.
Ah.
Ani. Mapila na ho.
Aha.
Tigpapilaw na ho.
Lens kache.
Uh-oh.
Pasala.
Roll area.
My turn.
Match
Anak ko.
fine.
Anak mo wa. Anak mo wa.
Match
Anak.
fine. Match fine na.
Ome, Peggy.
Oh, man.
Tatapi.
So tatapi. Ome. Omalaya Okchamali. Chuffa. Toklo. Tochina. Oshta. Tatapi.
Oh.
Tigbiyalik yun, anak ba ko? Tigbiyalik.
Chinisa Mato Nata Inshi.
Kabutcha.
Ah. Okay. Is it my turn? No
Shuka
four.
Toby.
No four. Shuka. Tigpatikan Toby. Tochina. Chuffa. Toklo. Tochina. Nanaho Ampanaglo.
Chanisa matonata washua.
Chinisa Mato Kapucha. Toli Washoha.
Oh, me. Siapa nak?
Me. Chindina.
Tindini turn.
Sindi yang
Tugla.
Me.
It's a backwards.
Chuffa.
It's a backwards.
Sa
Toklo.
backward. Pala malit.
Salamat, Chacha.
Oh,
Wala si Babylina.
Chinkana, Chingia.
Kata
Napo.
sa Shikalla Lo hoka.
Ah.
Chinisa teak, ma.
Ah.
Chinisa teak.
Oh, fiesta.
Oo.
Woo.
Paglito wala dyan, makano?
Aha. Okay. Kitole. Chinkapocha Shinshio. Pama?
Oh. Tokolo.
Tokolo. Ooh, okay. Chapa. Tokolo.
Naning takancha dia.
Isima Peminole.
Isima na to amiche cho chifo.
Naning takancha dia cha isi.
Hochifo Lapish.
Lapis.
Hanali.
Hanali. Me. Nada. Oh wait, Chafa, Toklo, Tochina, Osta, Tatapi, Hanale.
Oh,
Oh,
ke mas falamang magache.
Tatapi.
anale, ha? Palamatig.
Shikoshiba Nataga.
Oui.
Itu kau apa dia?
Oui,
All the way back home.
Wala din siya na.
Oh man. Wee.
Anak ko,
Ah, sila.
kutsi na.
Oh, hey, Shukoshi, Okchamale. Chafa, Toklo, Tochina.
Oh,
Ano impanaglo?
kadagi shona.
Yak hikiya.
Katim shona.
Okay. Another. Tatapi. Chapa, Toklo, Tochina, Osta, Tatapi. Chola in Shikalla Lo ita Chapa. Napanaglo, ang panaglo.
Kadim shona.
Chula.
Chola in space.
Oh,
Chola in
Chula
Hina.
hat nata ho ishe.
Chola istika ho chifot asipa chito inshi. It's ishboli.
Chula man nata hochifo.
Ishtika.
Oh, istikaya.
Aha, ishtika.
Katape.
Hey. Chapa, Toklo, Tochina, Osta, Tatapi. Napoa Katimakakosh,
Makasing ne.
Makashini.
Kio.
Ishtika ke ho.
Ah,
Pumayal bukchiro ontiyak mo.
Mamale. Mak ishtika.
Jason is sake. Istika hochifo.
Istika.
Ishtika. Napoa Banata,
Shuba.
Nata.
Nanak shuba.
Mat, Nata.
Chimagale.
Ipila, kana ipila.
Chula.
Ah,
Chula.
Ano?
aha.
Gasle. Chafa.
Ashley.
Katea Kishona.
Bokhoma.
Ah, Bokona.
Casino je.
Aha, casino.
Tikole.
Paska ukulala cha ching ma.
Ah, Baska. Kimado.
Yeah.
Gitia.
Chapa. Oh,
Did
tibo
she
na
say
siya.
Chapa? Did she say Chapa?
Tiba pelo na je.
Litamato nata inshi.
Kem na taro Ni tamat na ta isi.
Shuti.
Kem ale do.
Oh.
Oh, napanaglo himona. Panaglana.
Nanta is for trifo. Shonama. Here. Jonathan, what do you say?
Yalapat nata.
Elapat nata.
Elasco face. Elascafo. Glace ka naman magala. Ascafo. Elasco face.
Elaskofachi.
Nanok shopa katimakakosh alaskofachi shimachi.
Ano siya pa madnata matli. Sila bispitigira.
Tingnan ka na.
Chitale.
Ihotchifot. Whoa ha.
Woha.
No show ba?
Ah.
Woha, no show ba?
Uh-huh.
Nana magaspukan kay ofiyo pa ma.
Ofiopa cho ofiaya.
Ofiyaya ya cho ofiyo pa.
Africa meeting ma.
Ah,
Oh, Ofiopa. Africa Miki. Nada. Napanogo Mado Ma. What did I say? Shimachi? Did I say it right?
Shamachi.
Can you ask that if they're trying to figure out who wears the hat?
Rapu.
Shapule.
Shapule.
Na no show
Oh,
pa.
Shapole.
Shapule. Na
Okay,
no
so
show pa
Katim.
katem magakosh. Shapule.
Uh-huh. Chafa. Wait, Katima.
Atargyo.
Jason
Chafa.
na degi yun siya.
Oshta. Chenalachildo. Chafa. Toklo. Tochina. Oshta. Ang panaglo. Palamia. Ang panaglo.
Bihi aya siya in umalay at natomi o katangase.
Hasa wanabla mowa.
Yaka.
Ish sahak sa chipissa hamawa. Hina pato. Omalaya. Losa hicha. Humma.
Ano Kellen?
Lendina.
So finally, Usta.
Chafa. Toklo. Tochina. Oshta.
Afla na lebiasa.
Shawi mado. Nata. Iho chipo nada. Shawi shapo chipoli. Cut. Chipo nata. Nata iho chipo.
Sapulache.
Infokalomba. Omalaya nata.
Uma.
Iho chipo. Shawi humma.
Oh, Shawi Huma.
Shawi mado katima miti.
Biasa.
Kyo. Shawi humma. Shawi humma Oklahoma miti Oklahoma chapta.
Agmahupila salamat.
Salamat.
Bihi aya siya miti king malapila salamat.
Three. Oh, Tuchina. Tuchina.
Funny luck na, right? I mean lakanata. Chafa toklo tochina.
Kone hata onale.
Katima ishia in life. This open-ended question.
I know, right? Di karate, ano? Kone hata. Newton County.
Yeah, tokolo shishina.
Kumbulain.
Tokolo shishe. Pala madigi di siya jahe makma.
Yamarati.
Ate.
Toklo ishtinalichido.
Tokolo.
Oh gosh. Chafa toklo. Okay.
Pala.
Shoka nadaga.
Wee. Hachi dia.
Falaria.
Ya, haya dia.
Dem.
Hachi dia kiam. Alaka. Oh. Hembak no. Shapa. Okay, tingnan dulu. Oh, misle.
Shima. Okay. Chafa. Chofi Ochifo Nata, Chofi Nakani.
혹시 낙네. 가모노.
No, Nanaho, Kabocha Toli, Shimachi. Inashkobo Shimachi is Shimachi.
비타.
Ah,
비타. 오케이. 마카나레 모나. 비타.
Tochina. Jaffa, Toklo, Tochina. Halito, Ankana. Ah, surely. Oh, wait. Sahoponi na.
제호보나스게. 슈카네 피글라 반다가.
I'll cut out a piece of my side for you. Okay, Lindina.
Aspoa nata o shonhagia. Dana aspoa.
Biayasha is onhagia.
Oh, I thought I was asking you a question.
지잖아.
Okay. Oh, okay. Nita Loa Hochifo.
Yeah.
Shoti Ishi. Tikbatagali. Shamachi. Amawa. How does he say that? Nita in Tikbatagali. Is it Shamachi or?
예비 스마가토 타카데 샤마.
Oh, Tagali.
아하.
Tikbatagali.
틱바 타카데. 아하.
Tagali.
아하.
Okay.
틱바 타카데.
Anak, right?
Ah.
Tatapi.
Chafa, Toklo, Tochina, Osta, Tatapi, Yama, Chinisa, Chofani.
Get it. Yama chinesa sayeme.
Chinisa ma Katema Amiti.
Funny lakla.
Ah. Iho Chifo Ishkanaho.
Chini.
Ah.
Ha ha ha.
Me, Kim.
Satakale cheba nadagako.
We didn't ask Kim a question last time. Oh, she's waiting at the end. That's why.
Kim?
We should have said Omalaya Momaga. Makachi.
Not the say again.
Chafa. Keep rolling till you get Chafa.
Anali.
Hanale.
한나레 하.
Chafa, Toklo, Tochina, Ursta, Tatapi, Hanale. Katema ish Anta.
아나카.
Priscilla.
턱로.
Chafa, Toklo, Chokfitiki, Ochifo Nada.
스타.
Nada Shache?
스타.
Oh, Me. Nado, Anak. Chafa. No, kill. Where am I?
See, you skipped me again.
Bachamalata.
바차
No, you're next.
I was
Just
after
ask.
Priscilla.
No, it's
Bacha,
Jason is the
bacha.
last one.
I'm the last. No, you're the first.
바차 말라타.
Tik pa siya, Doug.
That's a sucks such a more.
You can
Icho
그거 사와 나무에 하지.
Hasa wala mle magwa.
Peggy,
Lynn.
check out your
Ano man siya na dogo?
Bachamalanta. Mahalo Numpato, Crystal Ridge, Winston County. Okay, then.
엄마라이 나때 맞지? 엄마라이 나때 맞지?
Umalaya nata.
Losakbi Hitcha Okolospi Homa.
Oh man.
Just know what I care.
Hanale, where am I at?
Oh my gosh. Chopa,
Yeah, on tale.
Choclo, Tochina, Oshta, Tatapi.
Hanale, tale.
Right. Unale?
Oh, tapos
Ang
tale
prize
siya.
na.
Iya ka. Halbe na
say-
ito, Mache.
You better not try to slide down any wire. That's disrespectful to people.
Yeah. Yeah. Itna lalahat. Hindi mo pala.
Ito no de laje haje.
Yeah, itna lalahat.
Okay, that was a lot of fun. Any comments about this game?
I need more practice.
Hoche fo kanapin na. Na puwa tiya pa. Hoche fo ka mo di kanapin na.
I think you should create like when other people's gonna play, like little cards, like questions.
Cheat
Good idea.
sheet taks mo ka. Sure.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, like to ask each other questions.
That's a good idea. Instead of trying to put them on the thing, I can do the instructions. We can do a cheat sheet or
Or
questions.
little cards. Yeah.
Okay. And then there'll also be a little card that has the information about each community written in Choctaw. So we won't write it in English, but we'll have to use that to figure out the answers.
And
So this-
napua ma inbook ma nata shawi yumega action.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good tool for the game.
Yeah, I can't remember the Quinta's name. Kim, do you know the Quinta's name?
Chokoshpa. Oglele ma hoche fo. Chokoshpa.
Nanuli.
Nanule.
Fully.
I think it might be Tuli, and I can't remember if the Nashoba in Hochifo Woha or Wowa.
Wawa.
It's probably Wowa.
Not a whole wowa.
Wowa.
Wawa.
Ow.
Oh, we'll see.
And there's one other thing. I don't really know, like that Shikoshi, Hanshi, Ampo. Like, if there was another name for that bowl of hominy, like.
Apo tuba is the one that's the okfochos tagma. Igma
Okay.
ishig mato apo shi.
Oh,
Apo
okay.
shi. Like a saucer,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's almost like a bowl.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
Ampushi.
Apo shi.
Tanchi Alota. Ampushi Tanchi Alota. We'll have to put those different versions up.
Yeah.
Ampushi Tanchi
Apo
Alota.
shi tuba. Igma apo shi ishak mapi.
Any other ideas about how to make the game more interesting or?
Pi kanim manong higi ang mapi panakluto asha tuga sa jinago. Like wherever they land there's going to be always a question.
Yeah, it seems like every space has a question. Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
You don't get a question.
All
You
right.
just have to go home.
How do you say rainbow in Choctaw?
Hina bitipuli.
Or name all the colors. Your punishment for getting to the end again.
Ito gulahaje.
Omelaya Moma. Say them? Omelaya, say all the colors?
Umalaya muma makaji.
Moma Makachi.
Umalaya muma makaji.
Or what's the word for rainbow in Choctaw?
Yukma hina bitipuli makaji. Hache pisa la jine.
Hachipisi Lajini?
Ha?
Hachipisi
Ome.
Latina.